Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12th again, and subject is zoology. Today's topic is characteristics of cancer cells. Characteristics of cancer cells या oncogenesis. Dear students, characters of cancer cells. उनमें क्या क्या कैरेक्टर होते हैं जो कैंसर सेल्स होते हैं? सबसे पहले कैरेक्टर जो है डिवाइड इन अनकंट्रोल्ड मैनर. डिवाइड इन अनकंट्रोल्ड. डिवाइड इन अनकंट्रोल्ड मैनर. डिवाइड इन अनकंट्रोल्ड मैनर. जो कैंसर सेल्स होते हैं उनमें सबसे पहला कैरेक्टर ये होता है दे शो एन अनलिमिटेड ग्रोथ. दे मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड अनकंट्रोल्डली. देयर रिमेन्स नो कंट्रोल टू डिवाइड इन द सेल्स. व्हेन देयर इज हम ऐसे कह सकते हैं ये सेल्स जो है बागी बन जाते हैं. इनका जो कंट्रोल है वो नहीं रहता है. ये डिवाइड हो जाते हैं एक दूसरे से इन अनकंट्रोल्ड मैनर. दूसरा जो है do not undergo differentiation. याद रखने ये कैरेक्टर do not undergo differentiation. दूसरा कैरेक्टर इसमें ये होता है कि they undergo differentiation. तीसरा है they form an ever growing tumor. They form an ever growing tumor by accumulation. They form an ever-growing tumor. पहला कैरेक्टर यह है कि they divide in an uncontrolled manner. दूसरा they do not undergo differentiation. तीसरा यह they form an ever-growing tumor by accumulation. चौथा कैरेक्टर they do not remain confined to a part of body. Do not remain confined to a confined part of the body. They do not remain confined to a part of the body while they are formed. While they are formed. यहाँ पे एक चीज मैं आपको वाज़ह करना चाहता हूँ. ट्यूमर के दो किस्म होते हैं. एक ऐसा कैंसर ट्यूमर होता है जो सिर्फ एक जगह पे डेवलप हो जाता है, एक ही जगह पे रह जाता है. तो इस ट्यूमर को रिमूव करने के बाद उसका ट्रीटमेंट भी हो जाता है और इंसान बच भी जाता है. लेकिन जो दूसरा ट्यूमर कैंसर का होता है वो ये होता है जो सिर्फ एक जगह पे नहीं रहता है बल्कि पूरे थ्रू ब्लड वो फैल जाता है और किसी भी जिस्म के किसी भी हिस्से में जाके पहुंच जाता है. दैट इज वेरी डेंजरस. That is, they do not remain confined to any part of the body, but they, while they are formed, but they go from one part to the another part. Separate throughout the body, जो मैं कभी कह रहा था, separate throughout the body. ये बॉडी के किसी भी हिस्से में पहुंच जाते हैं. They separate throughout the body. ये है characters of cancer cells. Now treatment. There is no fixed treatment, but we can say some temporary treatments are there to avoid the cancer cells. Number one, surgery. By surgical method, removal of entire cancer cells. By surgery, removal of entire cancer cells. Number one, by removal of entire cancer cells through surgical method. Number two, radiations. Exposure to X-rays which destroy. Exposure to X-rays. Exposure to X-rays which rapidly destroy the cancer cells. Which rapidly destroy the cancer cells and without having surrounding tissues. Without having the surrounding tissues. And there is chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is one of the methods which can be used to synthesize the DNA, and this chemotherapy can be used to destroy the growing cancer blood cells other than the normal cells. These are the methods. This chemotherapy is nowadays very important method which can be used at any level in order to destroy the cancer cells and not the normal cells. Then there are some theories have been developed. Gene mutation theory and selective gene theory. These are the theories that have been put forward to be used in order to destroy the cancer cells. These are some methods which can be used to avoid the fast and rapid growth of cancer cells. In order to control them, these are some methods which have been used in our day-by-day life by our healthy departments to avoid the cancer patients. Now this is the last, and now tomorrow we will discuss the next unit. Thank you.